Emily Vanatta, and I'm a senior. My favorite class would probably be career development because Mr. Huseth is the bomb. He makes it really fun. Well, I mean, my junior year or my sophomore year, I did the winter guard thing for a bit. That was a thing. Probably Mr. Huseth because I don't know, he's just a really cool guy, and he's really upbeat and he keeps the class engaged. I plan to become a cosmetologist and go to Xenon for cosmetology. Be yourself, but don't be loud because sometimes I'm pretty annoying. Be yourself. Don't care about what anybody thinks. Have fun, but follow the rules. And just make sure that your 4 years at high school are your best years. Am I allowed to say that on camera?
Oh, never mind.
I'm just kidding. I would probably say to my graduating class, some of you guys suck, but a lot of you guys are cool. So, go Bobby West.